Meet the XB-70, always savage, gleaming predator in the sky. 6 colossal engines, blistering speed, and a shape made for breaking every rule. This is the Mach 3.1 bomber that looked like the future and hit like thunder, capable of overflying most targets and carrying a payload with truly terrifying reach. At full roar, that XB-70 burned the sky. Its top speed pushed past Mach 3, leaving rival bombers, even the mightiest Soviet designs, a step behind. Designed for altitude and velocity domination, it could cruise where few could follow and reach targets with nuclear ordnance that, by design, could level entire urban areas. Beauty met brutality in its lines. The XB-70's radical canard-like layout and slender fuselage weren't just for looks. The geometry gave exceptional high-altitude cruise performance. Its signature folding wingtips were a clever trick. At low thrust, they drooped about 25 degrees for stability and lift. At high speed, they folded up as much as 65 degrees, shrinking wing area into a tighter planform and improving control when the air was hottest and the forces were brutal. The plane literally changed its wings to suit the sky. Thermal stress demanded engineering answers. At sustained Mach 3, the skin heated to extreme temperatures that could delaminate ordinary structures. Engineers used the fuel as a moving heat. SINK, siphoning fuel over hot surfaces to absorb heat, then returning it to the engines. That circulating fuel became the aircraft's coolant, letting aluminum and composites survive the furnace of high-speed flight. Critical components, like the missile head housings and leading edges, were built from exotic titanium alloys. In the 1960s, titanium cost a fortune and machining it was a nightmare. But the engineers pushed through. Precision forming, exotic treatments, and relentless quality control. The result was a design that drove costs sky high. The program's price tag ballooned into the billions, rivaling capital warships in expense. Performance had a price. Power came from monsters like the YJ-93 type. Conceptual engines, enormous thrust numbers that put the XB-70 in a league with the fastest military projects ever conceived. Payload was no afterthought, designed to carry dozens of tons of ordnance across intercontinental ranges. It could deliver devastating loads thousands of kilometers from its base. For a time, the XB-70 seemed invulnerable. Speed plus altitude equals sanctuary. If you could fly high enough and fast enough, surface defense